Alright everybody, Adam Roy back. This is going to be the 5:30 update on our winter weather situation here. Well, as you can see, we are actually getting some snow right now. Believe it or not, this only started about a half an hour ago. The freezing rain stopped about a half an hour after I made the last video, and from then till about a half an hour ago, we were actually getting absolutely nothing. Maybe just a couple sprinkles of rain. As you can see, it is definitely snowing right now. Not too much built up on the railing. This is definitely, if you look close, it's definitely very wet snow. Look how fast that's melting off my fingers. If I just do that, I mean, it's like gone. Very rare. Lately, last few years, we've had very powdery snow. I'm going to try to make it down here without killing myself. And I am filming with the Kodak waterproof camera because I don't want to get my good Kodak camera wet. And as you can see, the cars are most definitely getting covered. We haven't had too much. I'd say this is just a dusting, maybe a quarter of an inch so far. It is sticking to the paved surfaces. Write a name in here. Write something. Be a little message for Mom tomorrow. Now it looks like the mailman left our mailbox open again. And as you can see, this is slush right now, but overnight this is going to freeze. So I highly doubt my mom's going to have work tomorrow. And let's see, isn't that lovely? Yeah, we've had a big problem with our mailman not shutting our box. I guess it is a little frozen today, but I mean, you still got to be careful. What if we had some important package coming today? It's like we just got some regular mail. At least he was kind enough to put it far back. And no, I'm not going to show you guys my mail. Well, anyway, so that's just a quick update on what's going on here in southeastern Virginia. If it gets any worse, I'll probably make a video either later on tonight or more realistically tomorrow. So until then, have a blessed day, everybody.